Well, good afternoon and welcome back to KBBC Farms. I'm Kyle. I'm out this afternoon trying to gather up a few of my newest hay bales. We're expecting 3 to 5 inches of rain in the next 3 days. And I've got to get some hay out of a low area. You can actually see the water behind me. The creek is right over here. And let me tell you, if we get 5 inches of rain, these bales will be halfway underwater. And not a good start. So I'm trying to move these guys that are in danger of being covered up with water or waterlogged, move them to higher ground. So let's see if I can get this one throttle up a little bit. I'm on the little Kubota. Get it one fired up a little bit, throttled up a little bit. Here we go. Fork this one good. And up we go. Move this one to high ground, come back, get another one. I don't know, I've got 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 more that need to be out of the bottom. Get them out of water, high water way. So I'll get those guys moved. Have hay for the year. Lay you bye.